Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, how are you? I am also fine. Today I have come again to you with a class of class 8. Today I am going to show you a new topics. It is narration. That means passage narration or changing speech in a passage. It is also majority of the student think that it is very tough for them. I think today my lesson will help you so much in this case. So let's students start the activities. I think you will stay with me. Okay student, here I have a direct narration, direct speech. The teacher said to the student, what are the 4 skills of English language? Listening, speaking, reading and writing. Replied the student, your answer is right. Try to develop the 4 skills of English. The student said, I will try to follow your advice, sir. Before starting a narration, a passage narration, you should find out who is the speaker. Who is the speaker on the passage. So here the teacher said to the student, here reporting verb is said to. The teacher said to the student, what are the 4 skills of English language? Here the teacher asked the student a question. So the answer will be the teacher. It is a what are the 4 skills of English language? It is a interrogative sentence. So the teacher asked the student. Here the interrogative sentence starts with WH question. So here conjunction will be what. The teacher asked the student what. Here verb, here R is a verb. So the teacher asked the student what, where. Here R, it will be where. It will be past tense. Where. What were the 4 skills of English language? Here the next sentence is listening, speaking, reading and writing. Replied the student. Here the student replied that the student replied that they were, or the skills were, they were, it's maybe they were listening, speaking, reading and writing. Then the teacher replied, but then the teacher said, your answer is right. Try to develop the 4 skills of English. Here the teacher, then the teacher, here is a reporting verb. The teacher replied, now the teacher's, your answer is right. Try to develop the 4 skills of English. Then the teacher told him that his means the student, his answer was. Here is a verb present tense, it will be was. The sentence is in present tense, so it will be past tense. Answer was right. The teacher also advised him. Further thing says that try to develop the 4 skills of English. So, and advise him. It is an imperative sentence. Try to develop the 4 skills of English. It is an imperative sentence. So, the conjunction will be to. Him, advise him to try to develop the 4 skills of English. The student, at last the student said, I will try to follow your advice, sir. Here the student said, sir. So, the student here is a sir, for that it will be respectfully said, respectfully, the student respectfully replied that I means he will be would, that he would try to follow his means teacher, his advice. So, dear student, I try my best to turn the passage direct to indirect speech. You can practice in your home again and again, and it will make you perfect in this case. So, dear student, goodbye. Thank you.